Hey guys, welcome to Behind the TikTok recipe. These are our mini tuna tacos. We've been eating a lot lately, so I thought we should do a series on TikTok with mini portions. So we have, cheers, a mini glass of wine. Delish. And we have, if you didn't watch the video, it's little baby wonton circles with tuna tartare, avocado, jalapeno, sesame seeds, yellow pepper, scallions. Here, let me show you. Can you see?
Can you see?
Can you see?
Everything's little.
Everything's little.
Look at me, Gulliver's Travels. Everything's little.
I used a cutter and I cut circles out of my wontons and I fried them. What do you think, Park?
This is dinner?
Yeah, this is dinner.
Oh.
We're on a diet.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
Is it possible there might be seconds?
You've got, that's a good portion. Look at these little
6 quarters
trays.
worth.
You know what we're gonna have tomorrow? I'm gonna get those little mini mussels we see on the beach. I'm gonna make spaghetti with mussels in this little thing. I got this in Paris in a flea market, these little tiny platters. They're so cute. Never used them for anything but paper clips before. Dinner.
And now they're serving dishes.
Portion control. You know, everyone's got COVID-15.
And what made you think of this tonight? Anything in particular?
Well, we had some leftover tuna
Yeah.
from our tuna steaks the other night that we made that was so delicious.
Yeah.
And I knew we were going to do tartare. And then I just thought, you know,
Mini.
let's go mini. I cleaned my plate.
Aren't you full?
I'm almost full.
I have 2 left. Would you like my last one?
No, I want you to have it. How is it?
That's for me to grow on.
Mm-hmm. Is it good?
It's delicious.
It's
Yeah,
delicious?
it's really good.
Okay, cool.
And actually, these would be great, like at a cocktail party.
Completely.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could actually like hand out these little, these little platters to people and they can have their own little party
Each one
because of
has a little
COVID.
fork and a
And they don't have to touch anything. Anyway,
Nice.
check us out on TikTok. We're doing some really fun stuff there. And this is our first behind the recipe on TikTok. It's not going to be the last.
Thank you.
Love you guys.